Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So for today we are going to be tying a simple bridal turban, something very easy, something you can wear as a bride. You can also wear it as a wedding guest, depends, using a raw silk material. So starting off, I just want to make her edges look neat. I'm using the hair wax. This is the raw silk material. In Nigeria, the name of this raw silk material is called, is it the Abuja raw silk or what? Can't really, that's just it. Maybe my next video I'll find out the name and I'll tell you guys. So this is a 2 yards material and the ratio for this turban is 70-30. Basically, I'm just pleating the turban, as you can see from her forehead. I'll ask her to hold the other side so that I can arrange my pleats. So the ratio is 70-30 guys, and you see the other hand is shorter than the other one, which is obviously 70-30. So the 70 part, I'll arrange it now and I'll pleat it well. I'm just pleating it down, then I'll pass it to the other at the back of her neck and I'll cross it like this. So she just has to move a little bit. As you can see, I'm placing the shorter hand on top of the longer hand. Can you see that? I just crossed the raw silk from one side to the other side. I'm going to shift it back a little bit. I want her ear loop out and also the edges a little bit out, depending on what your client wants. So I'm going to be bringing down I'll be bringing up the other side of the veil, the raw silk, which is the 70 part. I'll also be pleating that out on top of this. So as you can see, the first time I pleated, I spaced it out, like making it lay flat. But for this other pleat, I'm going to be pleating it on top of each other instead of spreading the pleats out. So after pleating, I'm going to pull off, like, I'm not pleating everything down. I just pulled off the handle of the gilly. That's the end part of the longer hand of the gilly. I'm going to make it very short. I'll ask her to press it down, and I'm going to tie it at the back of her head. Can you see that? I made sure I secured the back of the head very well. Depending on how tight she wants her gilly, you have to ask your client. You don't want to make them uncomfortable. You have to ask how tight they want it. Can you see? I'm going to pleat it out now, pulling everything to one side. This part gilly is how you leave it. If you're making a ruffles or anything you want to make, this is how you fold your ruffle. Can you see that? So can you see? I'm just pleating out this side because I want my my style, like what I'm going to create with the remaining part of the raw silk. I want it to be fuller and a little bit big. So I'm going to be pleating everything to the side. Can you see that? This is the remaining gilly I have remaining. So I'm going to be pinning down this part of the veil. I'll pin that down. After pinning it down, you see how I create it. So you can be creative on your own. You can make anything. So basically, I'm just going to make something like a donut, like a petal there, not a petal, rather a donut style. I don't really know because I just came up with this thing now. So you just have to be creative, play with whatever it is you have in your mind. You see it end up coming out very nice and neat. So I just basically folded everything. That other part of the veil, I'll cover it, so that's why I did not even bother to pleat. Can you see? I just twisted it and boom, I have a donut. Just twisted that and then I pinned it down and pinned the other side down. So this style of gilly, you can do it, you can use it as a bride, Can you see? Maybe for bridal showers, something simple. If your bride wants something simple, you can tie this. If you want to go as a wedding guest, you want to look center of attention, you can tie this. So that's just it. Can you see? I just pinned down everything, and if you want it to be facing the front, you can make it lay down anyhow you want it. Just be creative, just be who you want to be. That's just about the turban. Can you see that? And I'm just going to tuck in that little tail of the veil outside, hanging out there, and you have a neat bridal turban. Can you see that? So guys, if you want to see how we created this makeup look, I'm going to link the description under I'm going to post the link under the description box. And yeah, that's just about it, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also don't forget to comment. This is Adidi Makeovers once again. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.